if you dip the shot down a bit, it might brighten up a bit. It's all right. That's it.
Come on, we go get on the train, sir.
This is my favourite express train, the 221. Look at this thing. 221. My favourite express train in cross country. Guys, here comes the 390 Pendolino anti-West Coast. Here he comes. Here comes the Pendolino, guys. The anti-West Coast one, by the way. Here he comes. Yeah. See the steam up there? Get ready. Yeah, they come now. Here it comes, guys. Here it is. Here's Bahamas, guys. So guys, here's Bahamas. There may be a diesel at the end, but we can't go up there to see Bahamas because she's gone past the platform. So yeah, but this is Bahamas stopped here. You saw it, guys. Guys, I think I can just tell there is diesel at the end. Well, it's going to be pulling off back up there like it came. So there may be a diesel at the end. I think there is. I'm not sure. We'll find out. It might either just be the coaches or there will be a diesel. Off goes the Bahamas, guys.
Have a good day.
Off goes Bahamas, guys. There may even be a diesel at the back. I'm not sure. I think there is. I'm not sure. Right. Also tonight, yeah, the Dutch is 7 hours ago through. There is a diesel at the back. I can see. I'm pretty sure there is. Get ready, guys.
Just wave.
There's a diesel. It's a class 37, I think. It's a class 37, I think. It's a class 37. Oh no, it's a 47, I think. I'm not sure. Oh, it's a class 47. Back up down railway, guys. Class 32. I'm pretty sure it's a class 32.
You could pan off onto that.
Yeah, and then there was another there was a class 31 up. It's a crane.